Come down. Start. Let's go. Go. Oh, vicious. She bought again. She bought again. She bought again. Eh? Yeah. Bro, how many see? How many? Ah. Bro, what? I have not even. Bro, I have not even paid 10 also. I have not even played one buck in the game. You guys are spending cash. No. Howda. There are people here, da. There are people here. Careful. Karthik are lagging. Karthik are lagging as fuck. Yeah, I know you're stuck. I can see you. Am I stuck? No. Okay, there's one more person. Because guys, teammates are supposed to be here. Da. Teammates are supposed to be here. It's not safe yet. Teammates are here. So don't light anything yet. Teammates are here. They could wipe you out. And you lighted also. Where? I told you not to light. Because are lighting. I told you not to light. Gun. Gandus are lighting. Okay, then we light. There are people in front, so don't go front. Ah. Hey! Bro, it's number 3. No, I'll actually frag him. Stay away. Wait, man. I also took off all my loot. Yes, so short. Wait, let me get some. And then come down. Barrel I'll use off. Is that wiped? Are they everyone dead? Everyone dead, Dead or not dead? Dead or. Mother. 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 Chot. Is everyone dead? Can I start looting? I am looting. Okay. Mother. Chot. Where are the bande? How many kills, boys? Good boy. Vicious? Bro, Vicious is a kill chore, da. Don't talk to her. She's a kill chore. This number 3 is a loot chore. AKM here you want?
Marked a location.
Bros. People are there, huh?
I
Bros.
doubt, but
Bros, number 3 is a kill chore, okay? I'm telling you now itself. No, not a kill chore, it's a loot chore.
Vidyali, there's a vehicle here.
Marked a
Get
location.
the vehicle.
A bike. Hey, Yamaha. Vroom. Vroom. Boom. Who wants to come in the Yamaha?
We'll get a 4, come down.
Yeah, come get in. Yamaha. 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 There's the other 3-seater. Mother. Hey, my Yamaha. Hey, there's one more. There's one more Yamaha there. Now he said, Roshan is center. So 3. Fuck. Bro, Roshan is here. Roshan Day.
Stop.
Bro, you want to go to Milta, you dumb. Bit of sense you have, you skip this place. Hey, 3-seater, go. Arre. Mother. Bro.
I know how to drive.
Calm down, you're not going on Tom Cruises. There, bike, stop. Yamaha. Why Yamaha? Come down, let's all go together on a bike. Yamaha. Brum. 4-seater, take if you want. I shall take the Yamaha. Karthik, where are we going now? Back to
Teammates.
Fine, bro. Let's go on the Yamahas. Brum.
No, bro, spectating us, dad.
Savanya. Where are we going, boys?
Next camp. Mansion camp, come.
What? Hey, banda. Fuck. He shot me. Hey, my kill, my loot. Hey, bhag. Hey, ditch number 3. Brum. Hey, drop.
And then where am I going, dad? Drop only I'm going
Watch
to.
out.
What do you think you're Usain Bolt, smoke and all, you do smoke, you know what we do? We stand in open and jump. AWM is mine.
Yeah, bro.
Groza is mine. AWM is mine.
Rahul.
It's mad, man. Oh, I'm taking suppressor also. I took. Thank you for whoever did that. Appreciate it so much. Come down. Hey, bandas.
Hey, get our leave.
I have the order. You calm down.
Come. Wait, we'll come. 5 minutes. Amma, bro, that's a vehicle, da. Bye, bro.
Bye. Right. DP I took off. Thank you so much.
Had only that number 3 years. That was my kill. I saw the bot.
I know number 3, the kill chore. You want to frag him? Bro, barrel is here. You want? Karthik, barrel is here. Bro, bot. Bro, car. Idiot.
Bro, knocked out one da.
Hey, waste time reloading da.
Hey, killed
Watch
da.
out!
आ गया!
I died off.
No!
Help!
Karthik!
Help!
Okay, fine. I'm playing with Rahul.
No,
Help!
wait, it's almost over. Look how many people are there.
Help!
Got almost over 40 people are
Look
revived.
how many are there, there's barely anyone now. Where
All
is
because of Vidyali only I died there.
Bro, who told
Can't
both
play
of
properly.
who told both of you to go like that? I was standing far away. Both of you went off rushing like two jokers.
What? Where did we rush there?
Okay,
Karthik, I knocked you. Knocked you.
where is the guy, da? Where's
How
that
can
guy?
I knock you? What da? Over da?
Yeah, but where is the guy I knocked? I didn't get the kill.
You got the kill.
No.
Yes, see the crate is right there.
Help!
Which guy's great, da? There were two fellows.
Help!
Not this guy. Hey,
One
go-
fellow only you killed.
Hey,
Shut
rev
up.
him, da. No, I killed
Help.
two people. Two people. There were two people there. I knocked both of
No!
them.
Help!
One I knocked up. Posted DK.
Ah, you knocked him. No, I got both the kills. I knocked from far, da. Should we rev him, man? Papa fellow.
Chase,
Rev him.
chase.
Okay.
ఇప్పుడు ఒక హార్ట్ అటాక్ ఇచ్చి వదిలే అంతే లాస్ట్ వదిలే చచ్చిపోని
Mother chud, where do you go? Say!
అంతే కరెక్ట్ నౌ టేక్ ది లూట్
He should report you, da. You scam. Some car. Arey, Vijay! I have less health.
వెహికల్
also.
తీసుకుని పారిపో మా ఫ్రమ్ బిహైండ్ ఆల్సో
That's what from behind I was shot.
గెట్ ఆన్ దెమ్
Who do you think I was
గో
scared
ఆన్
of?
టు దెమ్
Da?
గో ఆన్ టు దెమ్
Where are
విద్యాలి గో ఆన్ టు దెమ్ మా
Hey,
Yes,
wait,
Agma.
wait, let me leave. Let me heal.
టూ పీపుల్ ఓన్లీ స్నైప్ ఫ్రమ్ యార్ అదిగో పైన ఉన్నారు చూడు పైన ఉన్నారు కొండ పైన
I don't have a scope,
యా
man.
స్ట్రైట్ దేర్
I don't have a scope.
Form
Karthik,
up on
red dot,
me.
you have any scope you have? Scope.
Nope.
Thank you so much.
అంగో హాల్లో ఇచ్చారు చూడు షార్ట్
Come da. Kisko marna है headshot?
అదిగో వెహికల్ అక్కడ ఉంది వెహికల్ ని షూట్ చేయి
Last of the tires.
ఇక్కడ కనపడుతుంది అదిగో పరిగెత్తున్నాడు చూడు ఏపీ
Knock one.
పడింది పోనీ ఆయన జంపు
Finished one. Bro, the tire is blasted, just telling. I finished one of them.
అమ్మా టూ డైడ్
Then direct killer. Then
ఏ కార్
there's one more. He ran off with the car. Hey, flare drop.
ఇట్స్ నియర్ కమ్ ఫాస్ట్
Come with
బ్రో గెట్ ద వెహికల్ టు విద్యాలీడ
That's what do you think I'm doing?
గో ఫాస్ట్ గో టు ద ఫ్లేర్ ఫాస్ట్ గోడ
Hey, calm down. You want flare drop or these guys drop?
వేర్ ఇస్ ద డ్రాప్
Hey,
ఏ ఇట్ వాస్ దిస్ సైడ్ ఆర్ దట్ సైడ్
this side only. Where this side?
ఐ యు షూర్ ఐ థింక్ ఐ రైట్ దట్ సైడ్
No, it was this side only. I don't know where this side, but it's this side only.
ఏ ఇట్ వాస్ నియర్ దట్ మీన్స్ ఇట్స్ నాట్ దిస్ సైడ్ షట్ అప్ అండ్ గో బ్యాక్ ఇట్ వాస్ డామ్ నియర్
Yeah, where is it, da?
గో బ్యాక్
There. It's there. It's here.
Okay. That's not where I can't see the
Bandas are
system
there.
also properly.
Bandas are there.
Vidyali,
Ready for shooting?
two people. Just two. Come on. Don't stop. Okay, stop now. Get him. One only.
Yeah.
Over.
MK14, da. I'll take it.
Second
instead of DP.
second gun.
AUG A3.
M2 for Gigata.
Got it. What?
Oh, Sykes kinda. Hey, flare da. The airdrop. Look at the airdrop where it's falling.
Uh, it's not.
The flight is there. That means somewhere here only. Da.
Hey, one more drop.
One more flare. Go to the flare.
Yeah, I'm using M24. This one, okay.
Look, bro. Look towards the flare, da. Go towards the flare. Go towards the flare once.
Where? There.
That's near school. Go. Not near school, bruh. I think it's.
235. Hey, it's nearby. It's nearby.
Oh, thank you, bro. Thank you.
What happened? Okay. What happened?
Sorry, bro.
What
See,
happened?
you take our loot, we kill you.
What?
That's why be patient and leave our loot with us.
What happened? Who said?
Hey, that number 3 told cheater, da.
Oh. Where is it?
Hey, thank you, bro.
Where is the drop?
No bad words. Hey, go straight, da. Not here, da. There's a little bit far. To your right. Little bit to your right. Vidyali, drive, ma. ఏంది పైకి చూస్తున్నా ఇక్కడ కాదు పదా
Yeah, you should die
రైట్
off.
కి వెళ్ళు
Here only you should die off.
అదిగో.
There, front only.
there
There,
you
people.
see
Yeah.
you should me want you
Hey!
what is that
If you are
type
not,
properly
there are
English
people
nahi
on
pata
top of the
hai
roof. Vidyali, calm down. Vidyali, don't stop
Wait,
here.
what
Oh, sorry.
stop
There's a
you
guy-
should me what you
So
want
there are guys on the roof.
oh no
of
you
this
should
house.
tell me what you
Squad house,
want
there are people.
Watch out!
Squad house has people.
it's not like that I forgot to switch off auto matching and you came by mistake that's why we killed you understood
See, bro. It's nothing personal.
what's your mother tongue ma what's your mother tongue
Bro, we can't move from here.
what's your mother tongue number 3
Bro,
I get bad words now I'm telling you
Can I snipe now?
as if you are because see if you are from Andhra Pradesh I would have revived you are you from Andhra Pradesh
Done. Bro, Vidyali, careful. There's still one guy on those.
are you from Andhra Pradesh no that's why I didn't revive you simple logic ma there's no rocket science in this simple logic I only play with Andhra Pradesh people
Hello, one big fat.
where are you from
One big fat Andhra Pradesh.
where are you from ma'am bro there's one on top of the
That's what I'm telling
squad
her.
house and you're jumping here
That's what. There's one guy on top of squad house. She doesn't believe me.
really there's really one fellow I saw him
Even I saw him, da. Think I
Okay.
am joking.
okay wait both of you rush into the squad house it's fine don't throw frags and all he might have changed his location
There.
rush into the
He's
see he's there window
Mother.
start who
Vidyali, rev, man.
Revive,
Hey,
man, revive.
He's smoking over here.
No
Rev.
need.
My God. Hey, rushing.
He's rushing.
He's rushing. MC da. MC का मतलब और कुछ नहीं. Ah.
that's why you should never put a smoke we don't know where he's coming
there
from
only. Dumbo.
wait I'll get our teammate into the squad again